So I've had a pair of these ratcheting table clamps by Bessey for a while. A good chance to give them a try, see what they'll do. I'm finding that they're very easy to get in place and quickly clamp down on something on the bench, and they have an enormous amount of clamping power. Now you can order them with this kind of handle, but I wanted the ratchet just because it's quick and easy, very fast. One modification I did was, you can see I double back tape a little pad here, a little piece of wood, and it has some leather on there, very thick leather. That's because I do a lot of finished pieces, clamping stuff that's already been sanded, and that prevents me from putting dents in it and such. So I have 3/4 inch holes in my bench top, and I was able to order an adapter for just that size. You can order several different sizes, so it is adaptable for a variety of different bench tops. So I have found that for the most part, I only need one clamp, at least for small pieces like this anyway. And what I like is it's easy to clamp down, move it out of the way. You got another piece that's bigger, goes right in there. Sometimes I do need 2 clamps, so if I've got a big, long, wide piece. Overall, I'd say I'm really happy with these guys. I'm going to be using them all the time. They're going to have a permanent spot here on my bench.